It's Inton here. I'll be demonstrating my ride-sharing app for the 484 project. First, here's the main login page, and let's do register first. Here's the register page containing all the fields that need to be filled out. Note that the card information is optional if the user is not going to offer a trip to others. Sign up, and we are in the list showing all the trips that people are offering. But first, let's take a look at the profile update page. Here we can update all our personal information. And that's a successful update. We can click on the trips to show the detail of it. We can, if we are willing to travel with this guy, we can join the trip, and it shows the request has been sent. We can also cancel this request, and we can also join again. And also, we can see that when the trip is full, like for this trip, in the Firebase we can see that the maximum number of passengers allowed is only 1, and we have 1 request, which means the seat is full. We cannot join anymore, and it shows that there's no seats available. We can also contact the driver, and when we press this button, it will open the iMessage application and send a text message to the people with this phone number. But this only works on an actual iOS device, but this is just a simulator, so we cannot show it here. And we can add a trip as well. We can input the information in the text field. And here we can choose the departure time of our trip. It can be a round trip or a one-way. If it's a round trip, there will be a return time text field available. And when we select the time text field, date selector is open with a wheel picker, so that we can pick the actual time we wanted to depart. And when we press down, it's got inputted into the text field, and we can create. Alright, so this new trip has been created and added to the main list. Now let's sign out and log in as another user so that we can accept our request. Alright, so now we are this person, and we can see that if it's our own trip, we cannot join this trip. But here, when we press view my trips, we can see all the trips that is offered by myself, and we can click edit to delete any trip if I want. If we click this trip, we can see all the requests that other people have sent to me. I can click approve to allow them to join with me in the trip, and they can see it. Because back to the list, when we click this trip, we have previously requested to join this trip, and the owner of this trip have accepted. So we can see that the button shows this message, but we can still cancel join the request. And sign out. Yeah, that's pretty much all of it.